OutreachMantra is the fastest growing platform, loved by publishers worldwide. We help them monetize their blog by promoting their blog to thousands of advertisers looking forward to publishing sponsored posts. If you are yet to join this platform, make sure you watch this video and understand how to create an account and monetize your blogs. So without any further delay, let's get started. Click on Create a Free Account. You can either sign up using Facebook or Google or enter details like first name, last name, and email. Click on the Sign Up button. You will receive a confirmation email, verify your account, and create a secure password. This is Publisher's dashboard. My website shows you the number of approved websites you have on OutreachMantra. The total orders show you the number of orders you have received so far, while pending orders show the number of orders you must fulfill. The last one, the completed order, shows the total number of orders you have fulfilled. The next step is to add a website. On the left sidebar, click on the My Websites option. Now click on the Add Website button, and enter your site's URL in the field. You need to approve consent before we add your website to our database. Once that's done, you will have to verify your site using any of the three available methods: meta tag, HTML file and DNS record. I recommend using the meta tag method because it is fast and easy. So copy your unique meta code and paste it in the head section of the website's homepage. Click the Verify button. Let's move forward and add details about this site. On this step, you can set up the categories for your blog, the price per post, that, sample URL, guidelines and contact details. Click on Next and share your traffic details. Please make sure you enter the correct value. We strongly recommend you verify the traffic with Google Analytics. It helps us update the traffic automatically. Now click on Submit the website, and that's it. Once your blog gets approved on our platform, we will start showing your blog to the advertisers. Whenever any advertiser is interested to publish the sponsored post on your blog, you will be able to see that under My Orders menu. You will also get notified by the email if in case there is any sponsored post offer for your blog. The next step is publishing the article. You can simply click Accept Action to view or download the article. Now, if you are fine with the content, you can post this article on your blog, like you do it usually, and update the link of live article by clicking on Accept button. There is a timer associated with every single sponsored post offer, and if you fail to publish the article within given time, the offer gets cancelled automatically and you will not be able to get the same offer again in any case. To receive payments, publishers should provide their PayPal address or bank account details. Add your PayPal email address if you are situated outside of India. For publishers living in India, please provide us with your bank account details. Enter the beneficiary name, select bank, account number, and IFSC code. Please check the entered details before submitting. If you still have any questions, please feel free to reach admin@outreachmantra.com.